Welcome viewers. Here is another example under the topic Surd. So we have to simplify the following questions. 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2 minus 6 root 2 plus 4 root 2. So here is under the addition and subtraction rules of a surd. According to rule of surd, what you can add together are similar surds. You can add similar surds together and you can find the difference of a similar surds. Look at this the first example here. We have the root. The value inside the root is 2 and it's common, meaning all these surds are similar. So they are all similar. So we can add them together. We can also find their difference. And when you are adding similar surds together, you are adding the coefficients, or you are finding the difference of the coefficients. This root 2 are common, so you don't need to touch. It's just like when you have this 3 root 2 is just like you have a 3x minus 5x minus 6x plus 4x. You know, when you are adding this, your result will be in form of x. 5 minus 3, 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 6, that is minus 8. And minus 8 plus 4, and that is a negative 4. But in terms of what? In terms of x. So the same way we work with surd. Now what you are going to do here, you are going to join the coefficients together in this one. 3 minus 4 minus 6 plus 4. So you can rewrite this as a 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 plus 4. So that whatever you get will now be coefficient of root 2. Now 3 minus 4, that is negative 2. Minus 2 minus 6, that is what? Minus 8. Minus 8 plus 4. So you will get, you're adding integers of different signs. So you are going to subtract. Minus 8 plus 4 will give you minus 4. If you say how, it's just like you have positive 4 minus 8. And whenever you are taking big number from small number, you get negative results. So now it means the final result for this will be negative 4 root 2. Now let's consider the second example here. So we have this. Unlike this first example now, are we going to say these surds are similar? Looking at it from a distance, they are not. They are not looks like. But by the time you apply the knowledge you've gained from this course, which is a reduction of surd, once you reduce this, you will see that they are similar. Now let's work together with the second example. Here we have a question 2. We have 5 root 3. 5 root 3 plus square root of 27 minus square root of 300. Now we need to reduce this. Because this is already in simple form, you need to reduce this also to simple form, this also to simple form. What do we need to do? You will look for the perfect square that is a factor of 27. You do the same for 300. Perfect square that is factor of 27 is 9. Perfect square is just square of a number. Square of a natural number or integer, anyone. Square of integers. Now, 9 is a perfect square and can divide 27. So I will need to reduce this 27. 100 is a perfect square and a factor of 300. So I will need to reduce this also. So now we have 5 root 3 plus 9 here. This becomes square root of 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Why do we need to express this? We want to reduce it to simple form so that we can check if we can add or we can find a difference, or it's not possible. Now, minus square root of 300. Factor of 300 as a perfect square is only 100. Is 100, yes, 100 is a factor. 25 is a factor, 4 is a factor. So we have like 3 factors. Now, whenever you have more than one factor that's a perfect square, you consider the highest among those factors you have. So, and the highest there is 100. So because of that, you are using 100. 300 becomes 100 times 3. So you choose the highest. Why are we choosing the highest? If you choose the one that is less than 100, you will still need to further reduce. So in order to avoid repetition of the same steps, it's better you consider the highest among the factors. Now, from here, we have a 5 root 3 again, plus square root of 9 is 3. So you take that 3, square root of 9 is 3. So this 3 outside. You cannot find square root of this, it remains inside. Minus square root of 100 is 10. You cannot find it, so it remains inside again. Now we want to add and subtract. So you add the coefficient. The coefficient here is 5, here is 3, here is 10, negative 10. So now 5 plus 3 minus 10. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 10 is negative 2. So minus 2 root 3. And that is just the end of this question. So what you only need, as I used to say, is practice. You attempt question and solve many questions, and you realize that at the end, math is simple. So that is just the end.